Hi, this is Dennis from HA.D.I, LOFT, Chico, California. And today is September the 5th, Wednesday. Here's my chickens out here trying to find something to eat. Some bugs. Hey girls. I'm going to go over here and let the birds out this morning. It's around 7:05. Let me go in here and take a look at them. Good morning, kids. Good morning. Russ, there's your blue bar, white flag. You can see the feathers flying around in here, boy. They're sure losing the feathers. Molting like crazy. I had water in here. I'm going to stuff this out. Boy, they're, come on, kids. Hello. Hello, birdies. Okay. Let the birds out. Here we go. Come on. Come on, kids. And they're coming out. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I'll get on this side. Come on. Get out. I think that's about it. Well, this is Dennis from HA.D.I, LOFT. Until next time, bye-bye.